Hi, this video is for the iPhone 6 Voice Memo Backup and Restore. The software we are going to use is Dr.Fone. This software can be used both on Windows and Mac operating system. If your iPhone 6 voice memo are missing due to restoring factory default setting, or lost due to iOS update, or damaged due to iOS virus, no response, or locked, how we can get the lost voice memo back? Open the software and choose Data Recovery. Connect your iPhone 6 to the PC. After it is connected successfully, we will choose the option of Voice Memo. Click Start Scan. This process will take a few minutes. Now the result is coming. Now the 22 scanning results show up. Choose whatever you want to recover and click Recover to Computer. Finish. Thank you.